Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Now, I just want to say congratulations to Javier Gill. He's the winner of the competition to join my PLR site for life. Now, Javier, I've sent you an email. If you could possibly go to your Gmail account and check the spam folder and see if it's arrived in there. Otherwise, just check your inbox and have a look at the email I've sent you. I've given you a code that you can use at checkout whenever you go to grab one of the products, and just sign up for free. Go to the Gmail section or go to the email section, sign up under the email section, and that way you can actually get access to it for life. Of course, I won't give any of the details or anything like that online or on this video, but Javier, go to your Gmail account and check it out. I've sent you an email with all the information.